Do you want to know how much does it really cost to live in the Netherlands in 2026? Hi, मेरा नाम अश्विनी है और मैं पिछले 4 साल से नेदरलैंड्स में रह रही हूँ. If you are someone who's planning to move to the Netherlands, I'll show you exact blocks where all your monthly salary is going to get consumed. Let's start. Rent in Netherlands in 2026 is skyrocketing. It is still the biggest shock for most people. In Amsterdam and big cities, expect around 1700 to 2400 for 1 or 2 bedroom apartment. If it's a share or a student accommodation, it would be between 700 to 1200. Cost of groceries in the Netherlands in 2026 depends upon person to person and their lifestyle. Grocery cost for a person who cooks at home regularly is roughly around 150 to 200. I live with my husband, so it's 2 of us. So हमारा monthly खर्चा is between 300 to 350. Utility bills is not just gas and electricity in the Netherlands. It also has internet, mobile data plan, TV subscriptions. So all about it roughly costs between 150 to 250 depending upon your usage, of course. Health insurance is yet another mandatory expense in the Netherlands. ये Netherlands का rule है कि every person has to have a health insurance. You can choose your package depending upon your need. The basic one starts from 150 to 180. जिस हिसाब से नेदरलैंड्स में सुविधाएं मिलती हैं उस हिसाब से टैक्स भी कटता है. There are so many taxes like water, waste, garbage. For this, one person has to pay between 50 to 70 per month. Now comes miscellaneous. It could be anything. Your shopping, traveling, and everything you do for fun and leisure. Roughly estimate depends upon your lifestyle, but I think 100 to 120 is enough for this. Netherlands offers great quality of life, but it's not at all cheap. So you really have to budget and plan everything. Here are some quick tips from my side, so that can help you save some money. Well, I live in the Netherlands with my husband, so it's just 2 of us. So here is how much we spend. If you're someone who's planning to come in the Netherlands, please expect additional expenses in your initial months क्योंकि सब कुछ आप इंडिया से नहीं ला सकते, तो यहाँ से आपको काफ़ी चीज़ें खरीदनी पड़ती है. So initial month में आपका expense थोड़ा ज़्यादा होगा, but once you settle in, this is your ideal expense depending upon your lifestyle. This is a chart which depicts a survival versus comfortable life in the Netherlands. Hope this helps. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो and it helped, do like and subscribe. Tell me in the comments which expense surprised you the most. And if you're someone who's watching from the Netherlands, and tell me in the comments if there is any expense that you pay and I don't, and I will add it in my next video. आशा करती हूँ अगले संडे हम फिर से मिलेंगे. तब तक के लिए love you all. तारा बचारा.